Hello dear students, all is well. Welcome back to computer class. This is Durgesh Pandey, your computer teacher. And today we are going to start chapter number 5, that is working with slide in PowerPoint. So students, we know that Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software that allow us to create dynamic presentation. It consists of individual pages called slides. A slides can contain text, music, pictures, chart, etc. You can also apply various themes or background color to the slides. You already worked in the software in your previous classes. In this chapter, you will learn how to enhance the appearance of your presentation. So first, we will learn how can we insert object on a slides. So dear students, Microsoft PowerPoint allows us to insert various objects such as picture, clip art, word art, shapes or symbols on a slide to make it look attractive and informative. So there are two ways to insert objects on a slide. First, using the insert tab, and second, using a suitable layout. Now we will learn how can we insert picture in our presentation using insert tab. To insert a picture, first you have to open the slide in which you want to add a picture and follow the given steps. First step is click on the insert tab. So you have to click on the insert tab. After that, second step is click on the picture option in the image group. You can see that in the diagram. This is your second step. Click on the picture option. Picture option is available in the image group. After that, when you click on the picture option, then insert picture dialog box appears. You can see that in the diagram. This is insert picture dialog box. Now, third step is locate the appropriate drive and the folder which contain the picture file that need to be inserted on the slide. Then select the picture file and click on the insert tab. So you can insert picture from your personal collection. You can insert picture from any folder. Okay, after that select the picture and click on the insert button. The picture is added to the slide in the center. You can drag the picture to the desired location on the slides. So students, the format tab under the picture tools appears automatically when you click on the inserted picture. You can see that in the diagram. Format tab has various options to formatting the pictures like color, artistic effect, compress picture, change picture, reset picture, picture style, picture border, picture effect, picture layout and so on. So using format tab you can format your picture. So students, now we will learn how can we insert clip art. So clip art is a collection of images provided in the clip art gallery of Microsoft Office. To insert a clip art, first you have to open the slide in which you want to add a clip art and follow the given steps. First step is click on the insert tab. Okay. Now second step is click on the clip art option in the images group. Okay. You can see that in the diagram. You have to click on the clip art option. When you click on the clip art option, then clip art task pane appears on the right side of the window. This is clip art task pane. Now, third step is type the search keyword in the search for text box and click the go button. You can see that in the diagram. So type the search keyword in the search for text box and click on the go button. When you click on the go button, a list of picture gets displayed. Then click the down arrow next to the picture to be added and click on the insert button. The selected clip art is added to the slide in the center. You can resize or change the location of the clip art as per your own requirements. So dear students, similarly you can add word art or shape by using the inserter. Dear students, slide layout is another way to inserting objects on slides. To add a clip art or a picture, you can choose an appropriate layout at the time of inserting the new slide. You can see that in the diagram. So click the appropriate icon for inserting a clip art or a picture on the slide. You can see that in the diagram. Okay, there are some icons available in slide layout for inserting table, charts, picture and clip art and so on. So click on the appropriate icon for inserting your object. So dear students, I hope you have understood the concept of inserting objects on slides. In the next video, I will explain you inserting smart art and applying themes in our PowerPoint presentation.